This video is a short introduction to the advanced control statements that can be used with the unload and reload functions of CA Database Organizer for IMS for z/OS. Always check the documentation for further information before using any of the advanced control statements. The link can be found at the end of this video or in the description below. So let's start with the unload function. Over time, your databases can become highly fragmented. The result is that DBO operations, such as unloading your IMS database, can generate a very high number of physical IOs, which are both time-consuming and expensive. In this example JCL, the function control statement tells DBO that we want to unload a database. The DBD name control statement specifies the database DBD to be read from the DBD library allocated under the IMS DD. Setting DBRC equal to yes means that access to the database is authorized by DBRC. The unload dataset is specified in the DBO unload1 DD statement. If we now look at the DBO reports listing, the high physical IO value in the random column indicates the inefficiency of dataset reading operations, usually a result of the database being highly fragmented. By using the buffered DSG control statement, DBO can quickly unload even such a highly fragmented database. Use of the buffered DSG control statement causes the database to be copied sequentially into the hyperspace. The copy is then unloaded to the target dataset, thus eliminating most of the expensive random I/O operations. You can use either DD name or one or more DSG numbers, such as in this example. In the case of HalDB databases, the specified value applies to all partitions. Setting the value of the buffered DSG control statement to 1 tells DBO to unload the first dataset group, in this case the only one. Now we can see the performance gain. Physical random IOs have decreased to 0, with only a slight increase in sequential IOs. In this example, the elapsed time has decreased from over 2 minutes to just 7 seconds. Now let's see how the reload process can also be improved. Here we can see a sample reload step. It's well known that indexes can greatly improve the performance of a database. By setting the control statement auto-index-build equal to yes, you can tell DBO to create the indexes automatically during the reload. Creating the indexes during the reload avoids the need to read the entire database again and increases the efficiency of the whole process. If a database has multiple indexes, there's a loyal companion to the auto-index-build control statement, the split output control statement. Used together, these will create all indexes in parallel, further reducing the reload time. The DBO control DD follows standard syntax. DBRC will be used for the database with the specified DBD name. The unload file to be reloaded is specified in the DBO reload1 DD statement. Here we can see an example of how the reload performance is improved. On the left, we can see the elapsed time and total CPU time using the standard combination of the DBO reload function and CA secondary index builder in separate steps. On the right, we can see how the performance has been improved by using the combination of the auto-index build and split output control statements. Elapsed time has reduced to 53% and total CPU time to 66% of their original values. We hope that you found this video useful and that it will help you and your company to better manage your IMS databases. For more information, click the information bubble in the top right corner. This will take you to the product page. From there you can access the product documentation and our knowledge base articles. You can also interact with our communities and explore the CA learning paths. Thank you for watching.